Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I want to be showing you how to repair this LED lamp. Although it's a rechargeable lamp and also an AC lamp, so we want to convert it to using charger panel to convert it to another LED lamp guys. So let's go guys. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, we want to test the LED. Maybe the LED is still working, but the panel is not okay any longer. So I'll be changing the panel to charger so that we can use the charger panel for the AC input and output. So as you can see, the LED is working guys. So we are going to use the panel of the charger. So let's go guys. As you can see, we have a Kodak charger, 2 outputs. So we are going to remove it now guys. So follow. So guys, as you can see, this is the input from the power supply, and this is a charger. So this is the 5-volt output for this LED guys, as you can see. So we are going to put all this one inside now guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm using this USB for my output. So I'll put it inside the USB port, although I can remove it and put it at the back, but no, I prefer it like that. So as you can see, so then I will connect my LED. So as you can see guys, so guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. We changed the panel, the former panel, to a charger panel, as you can see, and this is the input for 220 volts, and this is 5-volt output, and this is 5-volt LED guys. So we are going to put it and test it now guys. So guys, as you can see, I've taped it so that it will not touch each other inside. So I've used a paper tape, as you can see. As you can see guys, our project has been completed, so we are to insert it inside now, guys. So let's do that. As you can see, guys, so guys, as you can see, we have put it inside. As you can see, let me open it. As you can see, guys, so guys, as you can see, we have placed it inside. So I will just put the cover now like this. So as you can see, guys, we have already put the cover inside. So we are going to test it now. Guys, we are using this wire, so we are going to plug it directly to our power supply. So this will be like this. So let's try it now, guys. As you can see, so guys, as you can see, we want to plug it to our power supply at home. As you can see, so we are going to plug it now. So I've plugged it, guys, as you can see. So it has been off. So as you can see, guys, so let me on it. So guys, our project is working, as you can see, directly to power supply. So let me on it, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.